Welcome to Waterfall Cottage. I'm Cherie, and that's Tommy. And today we might be gardening, remodeling, cooking, canning, or tending to our chickens. Stick around and see what we are up to today. Hey y'all. So I'm out here on the front porch that Tommy's working on. He has some finishing touches he has to do, framing some of this in. But in the meantime, we have the concrete pad that the porch originally, that we originally had here. And it's ugly. It had been painted a gray at one time by somebody. Tommy did pressure wash it for me to get a lot of the dirt or whatever off of it. But I picked up some of this decorative concrete stain. Where did I get this from? Home Depot. I got it from Home Depot. I can't remember what color I chose, but I'll put that up on the screen. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to take my muriatic acid and I'm going to clean the concrete first real well, and then I am going to be rolling or brushing this on, whichever works the easiest for me. So I'm going to get that done, and that's going to make this look a whole lot less ugly. We'll just say ugly, because right now it does not look very nice. And with the beautiful brand new porch we have and all the plants, we want it to look as good as it can possibly look. So I'm going to get started on this, and I'll do a little bit of time lapse for you guys so you can see me actually working. This is what I'm talking about. The concrete pad. We don't know if this thing is solid or what's underneath it, but it's basically the skirting on our porch that we have been working on. So we want that to look nice as well.
Woke up cold one Tuesday. I'm looking tired and feeling quite sick. I felt like there was something missing in my day-to-day life. So I quickly opened the wardrobe, pulled out some jeans and a t-shirt that seemed clean, topped it off with a pair of old shoes that were ripped around the seams. And I thought, these shoes just don't suit me. Hey, I put some new shoes on and suddenly everything's right. I said, hey, I put some new shoes on and everybody's smiling. It's so inviting. No short on money but long on time. Slowly strolling in the sweet sunshine, and I'm running late and I don't need an excuse, 'cause I'm wearing my brand new shoes.
Alright, now that I've got the muriatic acid on all sides, I'm going to let it sit for 5 minutes, and then I will hose it off or pressure wash it off, one of the two.
Shock off what I found, a room full of all of my friends all dancing round and round. I thought, hello, new shoes, my fine blues. Hey, I put some new shoes on and suddenly everything's right. I say, hey, I put some new shoes on and everybody's smiling. It's so inviting. No short on money but long on time. Slowly strolling in the sweet sunshine, and I'm running late and I don't need an excuse, so wearing my brand new shoes. Take me 1 to 3 seats where bright lights and angels. Stone to stone, you take me home. I'm walking through the break of dawn. Take me 1 to 3 seats where bright lights and angels meet. Stone to stone, you take me home. I'm walking till the break of dawn. Hey, I put some new shoes on and suddenly everything is right. I said, hey, I put some new shoes on and everybody's smiling. It's so inviting. No short on money but long on time. Slowly strolling in the sweet sunshine, and I'm
right, well, Tommy got it pressure washed, and now we have to let it dry before we can apply the product. All right, well, this color is called Cedar Blush. I looked at my receipt, and hopefully I made a good choice, and I don't live to regret this color, because I don't know how well it'll come off if I decide I don't like it. I think either way we're going to have to live with it, so here goes nothing. Ooh, it's very wet. It's just pouring everywhere. Oh my goodness. This is probably a lot easier on a horizontal surface, not a vertical surface like I've got going on. Alright, we're going to have to break out a brush. Just use the one I stirred it with.
Autumn leaves on pavement streets bring back all the memories. Nostalgia sure hits hard this time of year. Oh, such colors, cold brisk air, set the tone and take me there to all the times we spend next to a fire. Autumn leaves remind me of you. Isn't it funny what a season can do? Seasons changed and so did we. Oh, I wonder if you still think
It's
of
just
me.
squeezing out of this roller.
To think I know the truth.
How funny.
But all I have are the memories that remind my heart how it felt to leap to a pile of dreams that never did come true. Oh, I wonder what it would be like if I was with you. Oh,
Not too bad. Hopefully it ends up looking like a terracotta pot. If that's the case, then I can live with that.
isn't it funny what a season can do? Autumn leaves fall off the trees, so did my heart when you left me. Now I'm standing wondering, wishing in the cold.
Hopefully y'all can hear me over Tommy ripping those boards over there. But here is what it looks like right after staining it. Here's the side. Here's the front. And the rest of it. So I'm going to wait, let it dry till tomorrow. See if I think it needs another coat. If you're going to do this, be sure and use, if you're going to do it on a vertical wall, be sure and use a paintbrush, because it made a big mess with that roller. And I had to rinse it all out. I still need to get the rest of it up that's right there. So anyway, we'll come back tomorrow and see what this first coat looks like. Can't be any worse than what the original concrete looked like. Alright, well, it's the next day. It's all dry. And this is the finished product after one coat. I have cats and chickens all interested in what I'm doing. But anyway, you can see it does not do a very good job of covering paint that's left on, but I'm fine with that. Has that old world Italian terracotta look. So we're going to leave it like that. I'm not going to put another coat on it for now. We'll see how this holds up to the weather, the rain. I have an entire bucket. I hardly used any. But that's how we're going to leave it for now. And I'm going to have potted plants sitting in front of here. So you're not going to see most of that anyway. But I think it looks a whole lot better than it did before. So I'm going to get to work. My dogs hear me out here talking. So they're just going to keep barking. And the cats are going to be circling my legs. And the chickens think I'm going to throw them something. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next porch video, which will be Tommy finishing the porch, hopefully. Well, no, he won't have the stairs finished on the next video. And I'm going to be making some soap videos to show you guys how I make my own soap. So we'll see you on the next video.